Hi there folks, this is the website we are going to be building. As you can see, it's a nice blog, all your blog pages on the first page. Excuse me, all your blog posts. Pretty cool, right? Got these little buttons here. You can change those to whatever you want, but I just put those there as examples. If you click on one, it'll take you to that page. On that page, there's a button that takes you to the contacts page. You can click back to the home page, and yeah, it's very simple but very nice. If you click on a blog post, you got a nice little contact form there, and you have the social media icons, and you can share things, and you can go to the other blog posts. Very simple, very nice, gets the job done. So yeah, I'll be taking you step by step to complete this pretty much exact website. If you don't like it, you can check out some of my other videos, build some other awesome things. Alright, well, let's get started. So here are steps to success for the day. To sign up with an amazing host, choose a domain name, use a discount and get a really good deal, check out, install WordPress, create an awesome website, and save $1,000 to $4,000 by creating this ourselves for a total of $5.60. Alright, let's go to arvixe.com, www.arvixe.com. The greatest host in the world. Much better than HostGator or any other host that I've come across, and I am a web developer, so I've seen all of them. So as you can see, they have pretty much everything: incredible customer service, unlimited email accounts, data transfer, disk space, all of it. It's great. So we're going to click build or choose plan, and then we'll check out the plans here a little bit. Personal class and pro class. Only difference is with the pro class, you have unlimited domains. With the normal, you have 6, but you don't need more than 6 usually unless you are a web developer. So I think we're gonna go with the personal plan. I'm just showing you here that it's really the same. And with the pro class, you pay $7 a month, and with the personal class, you pay $4 a month. Those things we don't need. Those are add-ons that they try and get you with. So yeah, we're gonna go with $4 a month, and I mean, you can change that later on if you want. So we're gonna delete the plan that they want us to buy, the 2-year. We're gonna delete that, and then you're gonna fill out this form. Pause the video, fill that out, then hit next, and come back to the video. Okay. Now we gotta find our domain name. Whatever domain you want, just type in there and hit search. Your domain name is what people type in when they try to find your website, so it should be a good name, something nice and short that represents your website. And then if it's green, like this, or that's blue, that's green. If it's green like that, that means it's available. If it's blue, it's not. You can just hit the back arrow and find a new domain. So if it's a green one, just click add to cart. And then we're going to click the personal plan, and then we're going to select 1 month. We're going to click add to cart. Then we're going to go look at the price. It says $15, but it is not going to be $15. You'll see. You just have to type in this coupon, awesome 215, and you will get a great deal. You'll see. Okay, so right now we just have to select the domain that's in our cart by clicking on that. Or you can type in a new one, but that's not necessary. I'll click use on my coupon, on the coupon, not my coupon, awesome 215, and then it'll still say $15, but on the next page it will readjust to $5.60, and that is for 1 month of hosting and a domain for life. Okay, so we're gonna hit next. Normally a domain is $8 a year, and hosting is about $10 a month. So this is a pretty fantastic deal. And as you can see, $5.60 for both. Alright, we're going to hit next. And then if everything looks good, just check it out over there. If everything looks good, then we're going to place the order. As you can see, still $5.60 because of that coupon. Thank you, Arvix. Okay, now we need to decide if you want to pay with PayPal or with your credit card. So just decide on that, type in your information, and hit submit. Okay, we have signed up with an amazing host. We have chosen our domain. We have used an awesome discount, and we have checked out. We have not installed WordPress yet, and we have not created our awesome blog yet. We will do that soon. Unfortunately, we must wait 24 to 48 hours until our domain activates. Sometimes it's 8 hours, so just pause the video and come back then and try it again. Okay, congratulations. Your domain should be live, and you should be pretty far through the process if you've followed along. We have gotten our amazing hosting, we have gotten our domain name, we have checked out, and soon enough we will install WordPress and have an amazing blog in approximately 15 minutes. Probably a little bit more, probably more, around 25 minutes. Okay, we need to go to http://cpanel dot whatever domain you chose, your domain name. So yeah, whichever one you chose, and then .com. So we're gonna go there, and then whichever username and password you chose during your sign up with Arvix, we're gonna type those in. Okay, you might want to bookmark your cPanel because you will be going here quite a bit. Alright, we are going to go down to WordPress, which is located in the Softalicious app installer area. If you bought a new domain, you wanted to add it, you would just come here, type in the information, type in your new domain name, and your password for your hosting, and you would click add domain. But our domain is already on our cPanel, so we don't have to worry about that. So let's just go down to the Softalicious app installer and click on WordPress. It's not Softalicious, but I like to call it that. Anyways, we're gonna click install. And then we're gonna click www. Looks a little bit more professional. Well, yeah, let's go with that. And then we want it to be just our domain name and nothing after that, so we're gonna delete that. Just those 2 letters that they put there. We can leave that. It needs to be in a database. And then we're gonna change our site name. And actually no, we can just leave that. We'll get that later. You're gonna change your username and password, and make it something nice that no one can hack. Some people do try and hack WordPress accounts, so yeah, make it pretty good. And then just scroll down to the bottom, and we can just ignore the theme for now. We will get that later, as well as the site name, of course. Just send who you want the WordPress information to. Just type in the email you want it sent to, and then hit install. It's gonna load. It's gonna take a little while to load. And now it's done. And if it didn't work for you, that is just because whenever you buy a new domain, it takes a while to activate. So if this didn't work, then just wait a little bit longer, maybe a couple more hours, and then come back and try again. Okay, we have quick installed WordPress, and we are almost ready to go. We just need to create our amazing blog, the most important step, and the most exciting. Alright, you guys about ready to get started? Because I sure am. here we go. One second. Okay, let's just click on our website name. It will take us there. Will take us to the login actually. So just type in your info, whatever you submitted during the signups just a second ago. Or should I say during the installation. So yeah, just type in that information, hit login. It'll take a second to load, but okay, there we go. Now we have to choose our theme. So we're going to go to Appearance, Themes. We're going to go Add New, and then we have to search for Ward, W-A-R-D. This is a great theme, very popular. I think it has over 120,000 downloads. Very, very good theme. Looks really nice. Gets the job done, to say the least. So yeah, we're just gonna hit sorry, should have to type that in again. We're gonna hit install and then activate. So now we have a theme. That did a lot of the work for us, but we still have to do some things. So let's go to plugins, add new. The first one we are gonna get is Black Studio. And this is a very popular one, so just click on install now and then activate. And then we're going to go to plugins, add new again. Second one we're going to get is Contact Form 7. Just click enter and then install now. This one is extremely popular, almost everyone uses it. And then activate. Let's add another. Got a couple more to add. Page Builder. This one is very, very nice. We're going to get this, the Page Builder by Site Origin. Very popular. So we're going to activate that one as well. Add two more, I think. Yeah, let's add this one. Mix buttons. Where is it? Let's just try buttons. Oh, well there's one we have to add. Let's just add that one now. Install now. Activate. And then we'll look for that buttons one again. I know we'll find it. I think it's called Max Button. Max Buttons. Scroll down. Oh, there it is. Max Buttons. Install now. And then we'll activate this. And that is up. No, actually no, we have one more. The widget context. This one is important. Let's install now. Activate. So now we're going to go to Appearance, Customize. First we're going to click on Site Title and Tagline. And we're going to change that to, I'm going to change it to Bob's Blog. Created by Bob. Layout, we're going to go to 75% main content. We're going to leave the one sidebar on the right, and we're going to leave it at 1200 pixels. Then we're going to hit save. For the jumbo headline, I'm just going to put something random. You guys can obviously put whatever you want for any of this information. I'm just filling in stuff as an example. I'm going to put Bob Johnson, and then I'm going to put, if I can delete this, this is the incredible blog of Bob Johnson. And we're going to hit save and publish. For colors, we are not going to do anything because this theme isn't great for colors. For posts, we're going to just get rid of those. We don't want any of that in our posts. I'm going to save and publish. Background image, nothing. Widgets, we'll worry about later. Static front page, it's already good. It's on your latest posts. So we're good. Just click the X. So now we're just going to create an about page. See this? As you can see, this is really quite simple and awesome. You get to build a website with WordPress. So let's add a new page. Go to Pages, Add New. Whoops, didn't mean to click on that. Let's dismiss those. Let's type in about. And then we're going to go to blindtextgenerator.com. It sounds sketchy, but it's not. Just go there, and it has dummy text that we can copy and paste. You don't have to do this, but I just use this to add in examples so you can see how it looks. So paste that in there, and then hit publish. Then we're going to go to add new page. We're going to type in contact. And then add a row, and we're going to do 3 rows, 49.3%, 36.7%, and 14%. It seems confusing, but it's not. I'll explain in a second. Then we're going to go to contact, click on the contact form, and then click on the form that they already made. And as you can see, their default options are all pretty good. It has solid settings, but the one thing is their normal contact form itself doesn't look that good. So I'm going to put one in the description for you that looks a lot better. So yeah, just go down there, copy that, then paste it, and that'll look really nice. Really, really nice. Yeah, just hit save now. And then copy that little short code there, and we'll go back to pages, go back to contact, and oh, we didn't save last time. That's okay. Alright, we're going to add a row again, do the same thing, 3 rows, 49.3%, 36.7%, and 14%. Then hit enter and click done. And then in the middle one, we're going to click edit and add text. And then we're going to click edit on the text, and we're going to paste that little code in there. I'm going to click update. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now we're going to go to buttons, add new, and the URL we'll add in later. Actually no, let's just go to menus. Let's do the menu first. Okay, let's delete these, the ones that they put out there for us already, but we don't need those. Let's delete those and add in ours, contact and about, and click create menu. And then go to manage locations, click menu 1, save changes. And then let's go check out our site. As you can see, our menu looks pretty good. It says contact and about, and our home page is looking pretty good. Our contact page looks pretty subpar, to be honest, but we're gonna make that a lot better, alright? Don't you guys worry. Our about page looks average at best. So let's go back to the dashboard. Dashboard is where we do all our editing, if you guys haven't noticed. And so we're just gonna go back to the button. We're gonna click here to contact me. Then we're gonna go down to the colors. We're gonna click red. We're gonna make it red and black. I like red and black. By the way, sorry I'm going really fast. Just we need to get this done. And if you guys need to pause at all and catch up to me, that's completely fine. Like I said, it's better if you're pausing instead of me just going really slow. And, we're going to take this little short code they gave us here. We're going to go to pages, about. We're going to go scroll to the bottom, and we're going to paste that in there. Click update. And then we're going to go back to our page and check that out. Hopefully it looks good. So let's click on about. And oh, there's our button, but when you click on it, nothing happens. So we're gonna go to buttons. Oh, actually, we have to grab the URL real quick. So let's go to contact, copy the URL, then go back to buttons, click on that little blue writing right there, and then go down to the URL and hit paste. And then we're gonna hit save. Now we're gonna go back to check that out. Click on the button, see where it takes us. Took us to the contact page. Perfect. Alright. Let's go back to the dashboard. Alright. Things are looking pretty good. Let's make a couple pages, or posts actually. Let's go to posts, click add new, and then you can add whatever you want in there. I'm going to add some dummy text. This is just so you can see how blog posts will look on your home page. They look really nice. We're going to do 4 of those. So just type in whatever you want. If you guys want to put real content, that'd be awesome. It also makes one post for you before you even start doing anything on WordPress. It has one built in, so you can delete that if you want, or just keep it. I'm going to keep it. So just 1 more of these. And by the way, you guys, when people look at your WordPress site, they can't see the dashboard or anything. That's only for you to see. Okay, so let's check that out. Looks pretty good. As you can see, it shows all the posts. Very nice blog. Very nice blog. I would definitely check this out. If it didn't just say example. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go to Appearance Widgets. This is important. Appearance, and then Widgets. And then we're going to throw all those out, throw them in the trash to the left. Just throw them out. And then we're going to, oh actually no, we have to go grab some icons real quick. This is important. www.dryicons.com. They have some amazing free icons. So let's just go there. This is a nice little trick. So let's go there. And then we're going to click on icons and select Polygon. We're going to hit download. It'll take a second to download. Don't worry about that. Okay, and now we're just going to shrink our screen a little bit, and we're going to drag those over to our desktop. And it's in a zip file, so we're going to right click on that, actually left click on it, click open, and we need the PNGs. These ones are irrelevant, we don't need those. The PNG works for just about anything, they're really nice. Just the type of file that it is, that is what a PNG is. Those are perfect. So we're just going to drag those over to our desktop, and that'll take a second to load. Just click yes. So when that is done, we are going to, I'll wait for that to be done. Okay, we're going to X that out. We're going to delete that zip file because we don't need that anymore. We just need the PNGs. So we're going to go back to our dashboard. And we're going to go add in the word, image, and text. This is an amazing widget. The first one we're going to make greatest blog ever, because this is the greatest blog ever. The URL we'll put in a little later. That's just when you click on it, it takes you to that place. I like having that. One of the greatest blogs ever we'll put as the rating. And we will select file, we'll go to our desktop, PNG, we'll click open, and then we'll click the 126, 125s. And the first one we'll pick is the check mark. And as I said before, you guys can pick whatever you want. I think just freestyle it. I'm just showing you guys this as an example. I hope you guys are liking it. I'm trying my best, although it is my first video, so cut me some slack. Okay, the second one we're going to do what should we make for our second one? Let's make it, let's make our second one Hear About Me. And we'll put the URL in a second. We'll type in I'm like an open book, and we'll add as the image an open book. It'll load, click select, and then we'll go back, we'll go to the about page and grab the URL real quick. It's not a big deal, but like I said, I like to be able to click on things and let it take me somewhere. So we'll save that as we saved the other one, which you should have. I didn't point that out, but you should have. And then the third one will be contact the author. We'll write, he is just a click away. For the URL, we'll go grab that real quick. Contact, copy, paste. Then we'll hit save. And for the fourth one and the last one, we only need 4. We will put love. And we'll put, no, not love the fans. We'll put the fans are appreciated. And for the URL, we'll just put the home page. Not a big deal. Doesn't really matter. And select the image. Oh, we forgot to do the last one. For this one, we'll put a heart. And click select and save. And for the third one, which we forgot, we will put, what should we put? Let's just put the mail. And click select and save that as well. And then we can go check it out. Okay, it looks really weird on my page because I minimized my screen a little bit, made it smaller, but as I scroll out, it looks good. It looks really good. Okay, but this is how it would look on the mobile phone. It looks nice. And this is a responsive website. I didn't describe that, but yeah, it adjusts to whatever screen size you have, so that is pretty awesome. We're going to go back to the contact form, and we're going to take that short code. We're going to go back to widgets. And we're going to take the text, and we're going to take it up to the sidebar. And sorry, I am going really fast, but it's easier to pause for you guys than for me to slow down. Okay. The title, we're going to do contact me anytime. Then we're going to put in the contact form. And then we're going to select to only put it on posts. That's important, to only put it on posts. And then we're going to put the add to any sharing buttons. I'm going to click the same thing, only show on posts. And then we're going to go visit and check that out. By the way, if you guys want me to slow down on the next video, just let me know, because I will do that. And by the way, these videos will get a lot better. This is my first one, as I said before, so I'll stop making excuses now. Let's go back to the contact form, and you see that I made a mistake. I'll put the right one in the description, so you don't have to worry about this, but I'm going to change that for myself real quick. Just move that there. That's what it was. Hit save. Go check that out again, see if it fixed it. And yes, it did. It looks really good. Looks really good. Okay. Let's go back to customize. I realized I made a mistake. Just a small mistake. Let's go to layout and select one slide on the right. Or one sidebar, I mean. Excuse me. So we need that on the right, and then we'll save and then X that out. And then we're going to go to pages. I'm going to click contact. We're just going to get rid of that title there because it looks really weird on the contact page. Also, we're going to adjust this a little bit to make it a little more centered. We're just going to drag that over a little bit and then hit update. And then we're going to go to the menu, appearance menu. We have to change the name of our contact form by clicking on that and then changing that to contact, and then we just have to save it. And we can move this around just so you guys know. You can put it above the about, you can make it a subfolder, but we're just going to put it below. And save that, and then we're going to go check it out, see how it looks. Should look pretty good. Yep, solid. Menu looks good. Everything looks really, really good. The pieces are coming together. Okay, the contact page looks outstanding. Let's just go to setup and go to the add to any share. And you can select the buttons that you want. I don't want many. I like just to keep it simple. Let's just do Google, Facebook, and Twitter. And I like it in that order: Facebook, Twitter, Google. Let's go down and let's just keep it on the bottom of the post on the home page. So just have the top 2 arrows checked, or check marks checked, I mean. And then hit Save Changes. And then we're going to go to Posts, All Posts. And we're going to edit those by clicking Bulk, Edit, Apply. Actually, no, don't hit Apply yet. Select all those and then hit Apply. We're going to go to Comments and say Do Not Allow, because those make the site look really unprofessional, so we don't need those. And we're going to go to Pages and do the same thing. Select all those, click Edit, Apply, Comments, Do Not Allow. So yeah, that will make the site look much, much better. But if you do want comments, that's completely fine. They're pretty acceptable on blogs. Ooh, that's looking real good. That is looking really good. The contact forms on the right. Okay, we're pretty much done here. The blog looks outstanding. Yeah, and if you guys notice, I took away the little footer there. If you guys want to know how to do that, just let me know, post a comment, and I will make a video. But yeah, now you have an awesome blog. Congratulations. Let's go look at our checklist. And as you can see, we have finished everything. It did take longer than 15 minutes, but we got the job done. We did an exceptional job. And it took about 40 minutes if you paused. And yes, we did save $1,000 to $4,000, because if you would have hired a developer to do that same work, they would have charged probably about $3,000, maybe $2,000, but somewhere in that area. Thank you for watching. I will be coming out with many more tutorials in the future, and if you have any requests, just let me know. I will get those done as soon as possible for you, and I will definitely be improving with my video quality. I know this was subpar at best, but yes, I will be improving. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. God bless you. Peace.